how to connect Royal Match with Facebook. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can connect Royal Match with Facebook. The first step is to open up your Royal Match account just like I've done here. Then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see icons like areas, leaderboard, home, etc. Just go ahead and click on leaderboard. And once you're on your leaderboard page, move to the lower part where you can see Facebook Connect. And so once you see that, just click on it. And then after clicking on it, you would wait for you will be redirected to your web page or your Chrome browser where you'll be asked to log in into your Facebook account. Now, once you're logged in into your Facebook account, your account will be connected automatically to your um Royal Match account, just like that. All right. Or once you log in, you see you just follow the instructions displayed, and you'll be able to connect your Facebook easily to your Royal Match account. So this is how you can go about it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching and have a good day.